Best luxury small car for 2025 to 2024 Audi A4. As we approach 2025, the 2024 Audi A4 has emerged as the best luxury small car of the year, blending cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and exceptional performance. This luxury sedan continues to set the standard in its class, appealing to discerning drivers who seek a blend of style, comfort, and innovation. Elegant design and refined interior. The 2024 Audi A4 exudes elegance and sophistication, with a sleek and modern design that turns heads on the road. Its bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted lines create a dynamic and polished appearance. The refined aesthetic extends to the interior, where high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship define the cabin. Inside, the A4 offers a spacious and comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. Premium leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create an upscale atmosphere. The ergonomic design ensures that all controls are within easy reach, enhancing the driving experience. Advanced technology and connectivity. Audi has equipped the 2024 A4 with a suite of advanced technology features that enhance both convenience and safety. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.1-inch MMI touch display, offering intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the A4 features Audi's virtual cockpit, a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides drivers with essential information at a glance. This advanced display can show navigation maps, audio settings, and vehicle data, all configurable to the driver's preferences. Powerful performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2024 Audi A4 offers a range of powerful and efficient engine options. The standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine produces 201 horsepower, delivering smooth and responsive performance. For those seeking more power, the A4 is also available with a 261 horsepower variant of the same engine, providing exhilarating acceleration and robust mid-range torque. Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard on higher trims, enhancing the A4's handling and stability in various driving conditions. The combination of a well-tuned suspension and precise steering ensures a balanced and engaging driving experience, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2024 Audi A4, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and protect occupants on the road. Market impact and availability. The 2024 Audi A4 has been well received in the luxury small car segment, praised for its blend of performance, technology, and refined design. Its competitive pricing, starting at a reasonable level for a luxury vehicle, makes it an attractive option for those seeking premium features without compromising on value. Available at Audi dealerships nationwide, the A4 continues to attract a loyal following among luxury car enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2024 Audi A4 stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a compelling combination of elegant design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. With its luxurious interior, cutting-edge features, and comprehensive safety systems, the A4 delivers an exceptional driving experience that meets the high standards of today's discerning drivers.